Need your Cricket account details? Here's how to find them easily. Your Cricket account number is a 10 to 12 digit identifier linked to your service plan. Log into the Cricket Wireless website or mobile app using your emails, phone, and password. Navigate to Account Settings. Your account number will be displayed there. Your account PIN is a 4 to 6 digit code you set up during account creation. To retrieve or reset it, use the PIN retrieval tool in the Cricket mobile app, which sends a verification SMS or email. It's crucial to understand the difference between your account PIN and transfer PIN. The account PIN secures your Cricket account, allowing you to make changes like password resets or adding services. The transfer PIN is a separate, one-time use code specifically for porting your number to another carrier. To get your transfer PIN, request it via the Cricket app or by calling 1-800-CRICKET. Remember, the transfer PIN is essential for preventing unauthorized number transfers, so keep it secure and only use it when switching carriers.